friends, welcome to Sumikaya Kalpam. Hope all are well. Today I am going to share with some techniques of asanas that will help our elderly lovely parents and grandparents to overcome their constipation problem. Already I have a video in my channel that will help all the elderly person to lead a healthy life, but today's practice is exclusively regarding their constipation problem. Before today's practice, I would like to request all the elderly lovely persons to drink 2 to 3 glasses of body temperature warm water, and do not forget to sit in Vajrasana for about 10 minutes after every meal, and also do not forget to add fibery fruit in your diet, especially apple and papaya. Papaya may be in the ripe form or in the raw form. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and add fresh fruits and vegetable in your diet. So get ready for today's practice, and I am sure these practices will help you to overcome your constipation problem. So friends, let's start today's practice. So many more asanas are there, but I am introducing very few asanas, simple asanas that is effective for our elderly person and they can perform it easily. First one is Tadasana. Stretch your arms over the head, feet together. Inhale and stretch your whole body. With the exhalation, move down with inhale, exhale. With inhale, stretch your body. With a jerk, exhale and move down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Generally, we are practicing this asana in a very steady and slow way, but to deal with constipation, this should be done in a little bit faster way. Then, Tirjaka Tadasana, feet little apart, 1 meter gap between the 2 feet, interlock your fingers. Here you inhale, with exhale, twist your body to the left. Exhale, twist your body to left as much as you can without giving much strain. Inhale, middle, then exhale, right. Inhale, middle, exhale, twist your body left. Inhale, middle, exhale, right. So again I am repeating, generally we are doing it a steady way, but now to deal with the constipation, you have to practice it little bit faster way. With inhalation, middle, exhale, right. Inhale, middle, exhale, left. 10 round, 1 left, 1 right, that is 1 round. At minimum 10 round, 10 to 20 rounds should be practiced. Whatever asanas I am introducing here, that should be practiced 10 to 20 rounds. Then Kati Chakrasana. Stretch your arms at the shoulder level. Here you inhale, with exhalation, twist your body to the left and look at the opposite heel. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, middle, exhale, left. Inhale, middle, exhale, right. Inhale, middle, exhale, left. Inhale, middle, exhale, right. Likewise, 10 rounds you have to practice, and at the end 10 to 10 rounds should be done in a faster way. With inhale, middle, exhale, twist. Inhale, middle, exhale, twist. Then faster, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5. So in this faster way you can go for 10 round also. Then I am sure along with these 3 asana, definitely you will get a pressure. If not, then continue other practices. Now get ready for Sasankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. If possible, you can go through this asana, or else you can skip this. I know that our elderly person unable to sit in this posture. Inhale, raise your arms. With exhalation, move down, forehead, palm and elbow on the floor. Count or breathe from 1 to 16 mentally. Stay in this position. If possible, go through these practice. There are 2 other variations of this particular Sasankasana, or else you can skip this posture, but this is very effective. You can make a cushion with your lower arm and stay in this position also. Try to perform this asana as much as you can. No need to touch your forehead to the ground. You can use a pillow just below the forehead and move forward as much as you can. Then inhale, up. Then gently make a fist with your both palm and place the fist closed together in front of the lower abdomen. Here you inhale. Then with the exhalation, move forward and try to touch your forehead to the floor. You can use a pillow to touch your forehead. Stay there and count your breath from 1 to 16. Minimum 1 to 16. This will help to stretch your abdomen and intestine, and helps to remove out all the waste product that are at the large intestine. And remember, all this practice should be performed after drinking 3 glasses of lukewarm water. Inhale up and relax. Then another easy asana which can help to deal with this constipation. Lie down in your abdomen, hands at the side of the chest, feet apart at least 30 centimeter away from each other. Then gently inhale, move your trunk up, twist your neck and look at the opposite heel. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds. Then inhale, twist your neck, exhale, down. Again inhale, up, twist your neck, look at the opposite heel. 5 seconds. Hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then twist your neck. Then gently exhale, move down. Again inhale, twist your neck with exhalation, normal breathe. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, twist your neck, exhale, down. Same practice in other side. So once left, once right, that is one round. You have to practice this Trichakra Bhujanga Asana at least 10 rounds. This asana helps to twist your whole abdomen, upper abdomen, lower abdomen and intestinal area, and helps to release your constipation problem. You can do it little bit faster way also to overcome the problem, and these asanas are very effective. Do it and very easy to perform also. Look at the opposite heel. Then inhale, twist, exhale, down. Then we will perform the same asana. Those who are unable to do by stretching their arms, they can perform this way also. So do it 10 round. As we know that there are a lot of physical issues along with our elderly persons, so do not give much strain. Do as much as your capacity and do as much as you can. Then the next asana is Matsya Asana. That particular asana also helps to stretch your abdomen and intestine to release the constipation. So lie back gently. Then by help of the arms, bend your neck and place your crown on the floor. Palms on the respective thighs. Make an arch at your back. If you are able to perform this, it's okay, or else you can skip this asana also. You can go through the first 3 asanas and Trichakra Bhujanga Asana. That is very effective. After that, lie in Savasana. I'm sure that these first 3 asanas and Trichakra Bhujanga Asana also will help you to overcome this constipation. After Savasana, just stretch your whole body in lying Tadasana and gently get up. So friends, this is all about few simple asanas to overcome the constipation problem that is our elderly person facing every day. So I would like to request all the elderly persons to go through these videos and practice this after taking 3 glasses of warm water, and go through my videos. Stay safe, take care and overcome your constipation problem. Keep smiling.